The Boeing E-3 Sentry is essentially a flexible, jamming-resistant, mobile and survivable airborne radar station. The airborne warning and control system is tasked primarily with airborne surveillance, but can also act as a command and control center. Boeing was awarded a contract on July 23, 1970 to provide 2 EC-137D prototypes. Based on the airframe of the model 707-300B airliner, these added a large 9.14 m diameter rotodome above the rear fuselage to house the antenna for the search radar. Other essential avionics antennae are housed within the wing, fuselage, and tail unit. The cabin is fitted with equipment bays and situation display consoles for the airborne warning and control system specialist officers. The first test aircraft flew on February 5, 1972, and the first production E-3A was delivered to the USAF on March 24, 1977. The E-3A has been replaced in USAF service by the E-3B and E-3C, with upgraded APY-2 radar, higher-speed computers and secure communications facilities. The E-3C also has 5 additional operator consoles. In 2001, the USAF Airborne Warning and Control System Force Numbers 18E-3 be divided by C aircraft, while NATO continues to fly the 17 survivors of 18 jointly funded E-3As. Based at Geilenkirchen, Germany, these have been extensively updated, most recently with the addition of the IN/OYR1 ESM system. E-3s powered by CFM56 engines serve with France, 4 E-3FS, Saudi Arabia, 5 E-3As, and the UK, 7 E-3D Sentry AWACS. The E-3 remains invaluable to the USAF's frontline force, and the service is currently considering upgrading its E-3s with the glass flight deck of the next-generation Model 737 and the Eagle system, to detect and track theater ballistic missiles, with an infrared search and track sensor and a laser rangefinder. Major upgrades are also planned for the radar, computer and navigation systems, as well as re-engineering with CFM56, F108 power plants.